All right, I want to give you some quick tips on how to diagnose your car if it does not start. Now, there are two different forms of no start. There is a no crank. There is a crank no start. Okay, if you get in, turn the key, and it does not crank over, first check the fuse. Second, do a visual check of everything in the system that you can see, connections, etc. Third, you want to get a voltage meter, put it on the battery. Do you even have the correct voltage? Last, you want to put a test light on the starter S terminal wire, which is the signal wire that feeds, that activates the starter. Okay? At that point, if you've checked all that other stuff and you do that, and you've got a test light that lights up when you crank, you need a starter or the engine seized. Now, there's two levels of engine seized, okay? What you need to do is put a wrench on the front of the crankshaft and turn it. Does it turn? No? Yes, no? Okay. If it does not turn, you need to pull every belt off of the front of it. Does it turn then? If it does, you've got a seized pulley or compressor or alternator or something there. If it does not turn, then you've got a seized engine. Done. Next step. If it cranks but does not start. Obviously, every engine needs 5 basic things to run. You need fuel, spark, air, compression, and timing. Every one of those has to be checked. If you've got fuel and spark and you know air's getting in there, and then your next step's compression. If you know you have good compression and all those other factors, you need to check timing. Pull number 1 spark plug, check top dead center number 1, put the pulley up to the mark, do all that stuff. You've got to do that. If it is on timing, at that point it may be computer. But this is back to basic stuff. These are the basics to figure this stuff out yourself in a situation at home with no help. I hope it's been helpful.